solved it.
Tell him properly.
I solved it. Finally, I solved it. Sir is also with me here.
Yes, ma'am. Just ask him how is he feeling.
Yeah, sir, that's what I want, that feeling. That's why I sent him, sir. That should come to me, sir. He didn't come on.
I feel very happy.
So we are
Now I feel proud of Tanay also, how he is solving this. It's not easy.
Yeah, I know it's not easy, that's right. He's having more bond with his phone, his professional life than with the family. That's why I forcefully sent him. This should at least help him more. He should have less stress in his life.
Yes, see, your vision is coming true. That now he'll show how a family should be, how a business can be taken care, how I can learn something, be calm with myself, enjoy every moment of life with all these things also. Is that so?
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. You're changing my life. Just my son, not my husband.
No, see, it is easy, but taking action is what we require. And he has taken action. He has sat for 3 hours non-stop, and in these 3 hours, that happiness is like, he was explaining about 15 years.
Yes.
15 years he has never seen such an happiness coming into him.
Okay.
So he's thanking you for that.
Yeah, no sir, thank you. I don't know. I always think somehow it is a blessing that I found your website online, and I could come, and it's really good.
Hi, my name is Binu. I work as a project manager in Cognizant Technology Solutions. So my son came to Brain Studio and we are seeing a tremendous improvement in his concentration and handwriting. So I was also thinking about it for a long time, what to do, and I have a lot of stress at office, and I have doubt in myself whether I'll be able to learn anything new, because it's been quite some time, because it's been almost 16-17 years out of college and I was not learning anything new. So that is a time I was thinking about doing something new, learning something new. And then I was talking to sir and madam here, and my wife was also pushing me to do this because of the changes we are seeing in my son. So today I came here and I started with this 3x3 cube, and I was not confident to start with, but last 3 hours changed a lot. I have not felt this happiness for almost 15 years now. So here I'll go back and practice this every day, that's for sure, because that happiness is something I don't know whether if you have money you will get it, but this is something great. I recommend everybody to do this regardless of your age. Thank you.
Really, I'm happy training Binu here, and he has cooperated with us for the past 3 years sitting. I don't think he has sat for so long.
Other than for my meetings.
Yeah, he's sitting and he has learned the whole cube. It is not an easy job because this is the most difficult puzzle in the world, and he is expressing about his happiness, and I'm feeling more happier because I could make a small difference in my life. Big difference. Thank you very much. Myself is Srinivas Murthy and my wife Suchana. We are both into this training for elders and for anybody who wants to have inner happiness. We run the organization called Brain Studio. So anybody really wants to find happiness, it is there with us with small skills which can be